As the saying goes, eating radish in autumn and winter is better than eating ginseng. Today, I'll share an incredibly delicious recipe using white radish. It's light, flavorful, nutritious, and loved by the whole family. Be sure to like and save this recipe so you can find it when you want to make it. Start with radish costing just 50 cents per pound. Peel it and cut it in half. Then slice it thinly and evenly and cut the slices into fine shreds. Once shredded, set them aside in a bowl. Prepare a handful of cilantro, chopping it into small segments, and do the same with green onions. If available, include some seafood mushrooms. Wash them, cut them into small pieces, and set them aside. Crack 3 eggs into a small bowl. Adjust the number based on your family size, and leave them unwhisked for now. Heat a small amount of cooking oil in a wok. When hot, add chopped green onions and stir-fry until fragrant. Add the shredded radish and stir-fry over high heat for 2 minutes to remove its spiciness. You can add a bit of salt to soften the radish. Once done, transfer it to a plate and set it aside. Next, heat another small amount of oil in the wok. Pour in the eggs and cook over medium heat. Break the yolks with a spatula for easier cooking. Once the bottom sets, shake the pan to ensure even heating, then flip to cook the other side until golden brown. Once cooked, transfer the eggs to a cutting board and chop them into small pieces, cutting both horizontally and vertically. Return the chopped eggs to the wok and stir-fry over high heat for about 30 seconds to enhance their flavor. Here's the key step. Pour in boiling water. This ensures a rich, milky white broth. Add the radish shreds and seafood mushrooms, then cover and boil over high heat for 5 minutes to extract all the nutrients from the ingredients. After boiling, you'll notice the soup has turned beautifully milky white with a delightful aroma. Season with salt, pepper, MSG, optional, and a spoonful of sesame oil. Stir thoroughly, then simmer for another 2 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Finally, garnish with chopped green onions, cilantro, and goji berries. This steaming hot bowl of radish and egg soup is ready to serve. The soup is creamy and milky white, with a naturally sweet and savory flavor. The shredded radish melts in your mouth without any hint of spiciness. It's a nutritious and comforting dish, perfect for cold weather. My family makes this soup regularly, and it's always a favorite. Give it a try. Highly recommended. That's all for today's recipe. See you next time.